unboxing of the isoflex stress reliever from Amazon. It was $11.44 with tax. It took 2 days to get here, probably because of where I live and where the company is, because the company is like in the same place where I live, like same state. And let's get to it. Alright, so I don't think I need a knife for this. Alright, so you open it right here. And here it is, the inputs. I'll leave a link in the description of where you can buy it, or a link on Amazon. Alright, and then I'll just tear this off. And here it is, the inputs. Yeah, it feels pretty nice. Yep, here it is. And the little tag says, a massage for the hand and mind, a massage for less. I think that's it. Yeah, that's a different language, sorry. And you don't really need that. And yeah, it feels pretty nice. When you get angry, you just give it a squeeze, and you're good to go. Alright, you can probably just pull this thing off. Let me see where it's like connected. No, it's connected right there. So there we go. That's all you gotta do. Okay. And then I'll put that in the bag and put this back in the bag. And throw it over here. And there you guys go. That is the isoflex from Amazon. Link will be in the description. Bye.